4 minutes to launch. At this point, the combustion chamber is being purged with pure nitrogen. And at this point, the International Space Station is flying directly overhead the launch pad at 250 miles up, traveling 17,500 miles per hour. At the time of launch, the station will be out over northeast Kazakhstan. And at the time of Soyuz orbital insertion, the station will be out over northeast China, 2,243 miles ahead of the Soyuz spacecraft. Ground propellant feeds have now been terminated. Just under 3 minutes to launch.
The propellant tank pressurization initiated. Copy.
And the booster propellant tank has now been pressurized for flight. Two minutes to launch. About 30 seconds from now, the vehicle will transition to internal power. One minute to launch. Coming up on the transition to auto sequence start and the first umbilical tower separation.
The first tower separated. Copy.
25 seconds. The third stage ground power umbilical is separated. Standing by for the issuance of launch command. And we have engine start. 10 seconds to launch.
Engine from flight speed. Copy. Engines effective thrust.
We have liftoff.
Love guys, thank you.
Liftoff of the Soyuz TMA-17M on its way to catch up with the International Space Station 5 hours, 43 minutes from now. Early reports of good first stage performance.
Nominally, a few seconds, first seconds into the flight. Copy.
Soyuz is delivering 930,000 pounds of thrust from the 4 boosters and the single engine. The first stage of the Soyuz measures 68 feet in length, 24 feet in diameter. It's burning liquid fuel for the first 2 minutes, 6 seconds of the flight. already traveling 1,100 miles per hour and transitioning through the area of maximum dynamic pressure on the vehicle.
Ninety.
1 minute, 35 seconds. All continuing to go smoothly.
Everything is fine on board. G-loads are increasing.
Standing by for escape tower jettison.
The first stage
The 4 strap-on boosters have been jettisoned. Those have completed their job. They've dropped away from the vehicle at an altitude of 28 statute miles. The vehicle is now traveling 3,350 miles per hour. Standing by for launch shroud jettison.
The thrusters are functioning. They are stable and 150 seconds into the flight. Copy. 160 seconds into the flight. No fairing jettison. Copy.
Shroud jettison confirmed. The vehicle's now traveling 4,500 miles per hour, approaching 3 minutes into the flight.
We are sending command number 12. Copy, command number 12. We are receiving the image. Copy.
All guidance systems are nominal at this point. The core stage of the Soyuz is a 56 feet tall spacecraft, 13.5 feet in diameter. The single engine with 4 fuel chambers providing between 178 and 222,000 pounds of thrust for the 3 minute 28 seconds time of operation. This stage will burn until the 4 minute 43 second point, so about 1 more minute. At that point, the Soyuz uses what's called a hot stage transition, which the 3rd stage will actually ignite while the 2nd stage is still burning. Kjell Lindgren on his first voyage into space, 4 minutes into the flight.
And 50 seconds into the flight. Propellant and everything is nominal. Copy. Everything is fine on board.
Four minutes, 30 seconds, standing by for burnout of the core booster, which will separate at an altitude of 105 miles. That's about 170 kilometers.
$290 seconds into the flight. 2nd stage separation. The thruster operated not.
2nd stage separation has been confirmed. The Soyuz is now being propelled by the single engine of the 3rd stage, an engine providing 67,000 pounds of thrust, which will burn for the next 4 minutes of the mission.